Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make the black and white on currently in CapCut PC. So you can select the image or video you like to edit. For instance, I'm going to select the image and I'm going to select filters and select PW. You can just put it duration assembly. Alright. Select the clips, right click and sorry, select the clips, right click and create counting clips and add the same image as an overlay, put on top another clip, just for the duration and go to cutout to remove the background. So select auto cutout. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching.